What's going on YouTube? It's your boy John B. Come back to you guys with a brand new haircut tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing a comb over with a mid drop fade on my boy AJ. So first I'm going to start off by cutting about an inch or two off the top. It's been a while because of quarantine, so he hasn't gotten his regular haircut. So we're going to cut off a lot on top. And when you use shears on top, be sure to keep the hair wet or damp just because it'll make it easier to cut. Next, I'm gonna start by parting the hair. I'm not gonna put in a hard part, but I like to section his hair off so I know where the fade's gonna start and end. And honestly, it's better to do it this way because you want all your sections to be clean. Use a comb, whatever you need to do, make it wet, and section off your parts. I use clips just because it's easier to it won't let the hair go back. Then I hit it with number 2 on my Oster Octanes, and this is just gonna create your first base. Now, since it's a haircut that he hasn't gotten in a long time, I noticed a lot of bulk, so I'm gonna snap on the number 1 guard and clipper over comb all the hair that I know for sure we're not gonna need. Then I'm gonna use my Babyliss trimmers and I'm gonna create my first guideline. I'm gonna start from the middle. I usually start from eyebrow level, and since he's getting a drop fade, I drop it down to the back. So as you see, I'm not gonna use my shaver just yet, just because I'm gonna leave that for the end. I'm gonna use my Wahl Magic clip and open up the clipper. And open means when you have the lever open and the hair is longer. Then I'm gonna hit it with the number 1.5 all the way open, and I'm gonna blend downwards. Now, when blending downwards, you gotta remember that when the lower guard you go, the lower on the fade you have to go. Don't go in the same spot where you went with your number 2 or 1.5. You have to gradually close it the closer you get to your second guideline. So this is basically the last step before taking out that initial guideline. I'm using my half guard, and I'm just usually using the corners on my half guard just to get out those little dark spots. Then you're gonna see me do my pre-lineup just before you get that bottom line out. I usually do that just because I feel like you can see the flaws in the fade easier instead of later. Here I'm just using the clipper, using it open or halfway open just to get rid of that last bottom guideline. And this is the fun part in barbering, where you can actually see the fade come out, and now you're just having fun with it. If you guys haven't yet, please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. It really helps a lot. I'm really trying to get back into YouTube. I'm basically going to be doing the same steps here, so if you guys have anything to say or comment, just leave it down below of what haircut you guys want me to do next, and or what clippers you guys recommend. I really want to try those ergo clippers, see if they're pretty good, but I got too much clippers right now, so if you guys really recommend it, I'll probably get it. So moving on to the back, you gotta remember when you're doing one side at a time, make sure that the sides come to an even point in the fade. So since this is a drop, they both drop on each side to connect to the middle. And I'm basically gonna be doing the same steps but just lower. And usually on my low fades, I like to continue to blend down just because you know you're not gonna go too high. But obviously on the back here, I'm gonna be clipper over combing less than I did on the sides, just because it looks better with some weight back there. And now onto the lineup. I like to pin up the hair just so the long hairs don't get in the way and you can have a free hand. So I usually start from the middle and I work my way out. So you see I do a pre-lineup, but then I come back with my slim lines and I do the real lineup. These are like my hitters for like the last, I want to say 4 years. If you guys haven't gotten a pair, you guys should really get it. But the thing is, I did sharpen mine, so that's why they kind of hit. So I really recommend sharpening your guys' tools, and be very light-handed if you do, because you do not want to irritate the client or his skin and like get them all cut up. But see, it's already so like defined, and I haven't even hit it with the razor yet. So I've learned this technique, and it does take some time to reverse backhand. If you guys haven't tried it yet, you guys feel free to try it, but just be careful. Just pull the skin down with your thumb and go up. Obviously, when you guys first start, you're gonna be shaking a little bit, but it goes away as you cut hair every single day, so it'll go away. You see, like I'm not really shaking no more. It's kind of like second nature to me. Next, I'm gonna start blow drying his hair. If you guys haven't yet, I really recommend you guys to get the Dyson blow dryer. I know that it's kind of expensive, it's like $400, but trust me, it's the best investment in a blow dryer you're gonna get. And how often are you guys gonna use a blow dryer, or how long is your blow dryer gonna last? My last blow dryer lasted me like 3-4 years, and it still works to this day. I just gave it to my coworker because I already got the Dyson, but I really recommend it. It sounds cool. The build is nice, and it's just a good all-around blow dryer for men and women. And I don't even style hair like that, and I'm telling you guys, this is the best blow dryer out. And next, I'm gonna be using Elegance Gel Wax. I like gel wax just because it's a mix between both of them, I guess. It's not too flaky, it won't get hard, but it's also, you can tell that there is product in there. Other products I recommend is Suavecito and Layrite, depending on what kind of style you're going after. And that's basically the end of the haircut. I'm just gonna run through it with a comb and style it and make sure everything is set before he goes. So don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe, whatever you guys want. Hopefully I can get another video out for you sooner than just a week. I'm trying to bang out these videos as much as I can. If you guys haven't yet, like, comment, and subscribe to my Instagram, because I post almost daily videos of haircuts if you guys are into that. So thank you guys for everything. It's your boy John B, and I'm out.